there everybody, I just wanted to do this video to show you some lovely new yarn that I've recently discovered. And the exciting thing about this particular yarn is that you can design your own yarn cake. So obviously there's lots there that are ready to go, and obviously those colourways are already decided, but there is an option for you to choose whichever colours you like and put them in whatever order you like as well, and then have them wound up to make your very own individual yarn cake. So this is one that I have ordered from them. Again, this isn't a paid advertisement or anything. I ordered this with my own money, and this was after seeing some inspiration from another Instagrammer that I follow, and this was the actual colourway that she designed, which has now been turned into a proper feature, if you like, that you can buy on the website. And this colourway is called Crochet. You can choose, as I say, your colours, you can choose what order you want them in, you can choose what ply you would like. I've gone for a 4 ply, but you can choose 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. And you can also choose the length that you want. So I chose to go for 1,250 meters. So it's I'm going to get a lot out of this particular yarn cake, and I am going to make a baby blanket with it. And so it's 50% cotton and 50% acrylic, and it's from a company called Crochet UK. So I will leave all of their information in the description box for you, obviously. Now, I haven't actually worked with this type of yarn cake before. Obviously, I adore the Shapies Whirl, but that is, you know, it's a twisted yarn. Whereas I don't know whether you can see, but this is actually not twisted at all. So I've got my 4 strands there, but they're not twisted. So I'm really interested to see just how easy this is to work with. And obviously I will do a progress video once I do start using it. But I just wanted to let you know about the company, about the fact that you can create your very own colourway unique to yourself. And yeah, I just thought it was a really cool idea. And I just adore this colourway. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And this colourway was chosen by someone who won the competition, and it's her name's Kerry, and I will also leave her Instagram down below as well, because she has some fabulous projects that she completes as well. So you might want to go and check her out, because her feed is actually really, really nice. But yeah, I'm really excited to see how this works up and how easy the yarn is to work with, because it's not twisted. So I will give a very honest feedback on this once I have completed, or at least started, my baby blanket. But yeah, it's a really hefty yarn cake, because I went for the 1,250 meters. So I'm really intrigued as to how far this is going to go. But I do hope that you like these videos where I introduce you to yarn that you may not have seen before. But leave me a comment down below of what your favourite colourway would look like. And I will see you for a normal tutorial very soon. Bye for now.